Meteorologists tracking Hurricane Dorian as it heads up the east coast of Florida. And look at this new video. We just got this in overnight. Just devastating damage. This is the Bahamas, what's left of it. 7 people dead this morning. The prime minister fears that number will go up. The trees just blowing in that heavy wind, just nonstop here. The rain. This is just part of the problem. Listen to that howling there. It lasted for hours as the hurricane just basically parked itself over the Bahamas. And now police, they're going door to door surveying the damage, and they're searching for survivors. From the ground level, you can see what's left of these homes and businesses. Debris just scattered everywhere. I'm in Severe Weather Center 9 now with meteorologist Keith Monday. This is a serious storm still, and you just got an update on it. Anything that we should know about the track? Has it changed at all?
Nothing's really changed with it. We've been seeing a pretty steady state with the storm from overnight through early this morning. It's still Category 2. It's still a very strong Category 2 with winds of around 105 miles per hour. You can see the storm kind of a very broad eye to it. So reports that hurricane hunters last flying through it still find that eye kind of ragged a little bit. Obviously, the radar return shows a very broad eye. Look at that heavy rain that's pounding the east coast of Florida now up to Jacksonville, about to move into Savannah. We'll start to see that moving into South Carolina later on this afternoon. Winds again 105 makes the Category 2. It'll hold that strength today, begin to weaken a little bit as it skirts the coastline. So that forecast path, has been almost set in stone now for 2 straight days. It has barely moved. Very high confidence that that's where the storm is going to be heading, brushing very close to making landfall, not just near Charleston, but near Wilmington and then the Outer Banks as we head to the end of Friday. So obviously getting close to us, but not close enough to bring any major issues, but we will have some impacts from this. We'll talk about those probabilities coming up here in just the next few minutes. Brittany.
All right, Keith, as you mentioned, Dorian's not even here yet, but it's already creating headaches in the air and on the ground here in the Carolinas. Our Gina Esposito was live this morning, and Gina, flying in and out of Charlotte, especially along the East Coast, those folks are the ones feeling the biggest impact.
And Brittany, we're standing just outside the Charlotte Douglas Airport here, where travelers can definitely expect some cancellations as Hurricane Dorian moves up the coast. Flights to Charleston, South Carolina will be impacted. The airport is shutting down at 3 o'clock this afternoon and may not reopen until Friday. I want to give you a live picture right now. This is inside the Charlotte Douglas Airport where we are monitoring conditions. 76 cancellations so far, and many of those from Florida airports as well as Charleston and Savannah. Many people have been evacuating the coast this week. The lane reversal on I-26 out of Charleston started on Monday and is expected to end at noon today. Cintra says they'll continue to charge tolls on I-77 during the storm since it's not an evacuation route right now. We have crews along the North and South Carolina coast. A year ago, Hurricane Florence caused widespread damage in Conway, South Carolina. The entire South Carolina coast is under a hurricane warning. Many people in Myrtle Beach tell us they plan to wait out this storm. We saw residents boarding up windows and moving to shelters. Many are staying at Conway High School, which is set up as a Red Cross shelter.
It just seemed to stall, so it's kind of real concerning. This isn't anything to fool around with. You do need to get out.
The American Red Cross is sending 2 more volunteers out of Charlotte today, including one from Huntersville. They're going to be staging in Raleigh to wait for orders there to help families. Now, coming up in the next 30 minutes, how Charlotte's Duke Energy crews are also going to be helping out today. Back to you.
All right, thank you, Gina. The city of Concord's emergency management is also communicating with the state on how it can help. If called on, the Concord Fire Department could send swift water rescue teams to the Carolina coast. Concord could also send solid waste crews and electric crews to help with the aftermath. Channel 9 has crews on the Carolina coast as Dorian inches closer. You can find our continued coverage here on the air and on the WSOC TV News app.